Hello. Today is a very special day because I'm going for my driving test for the lorries, the 17-ton C-class, and this is like 4th time. I'm going there 4th time, and every time I go something happens and I get failed. But hopefully, fingers crossed, when I come back I'll give you a good news, otherwise you won't see me. I'll see you later. This is the best shortcut I'm taking now. I need to catch the Hammersmith train. Okay, I have arrived safely at Paddington. I just need to wait for my next train.
Find the gap between the train and the platform.
This is Paddington. The next station is S.H.E.I.L.D. This is Circle Line. Transmit via King's Cross, Penrith.
The time now is 7:21 and my train is at 7:36. All we have to do is wait and wait and wait. Okay, the platform has been announced, so let's go to platform number 5. Okay, I'm in my train. Right guys, I am at the test center. I'm just waiting in the queue for my name to be called, and I'll have the indoors reverse practice first and then we'll go on the road. But at this moment, trust me, I'm so nervous guys. My heart is just beating like in and out, like I don't know what, you know. So just look at my face now, how smiley I am and looking positive. And when I come back, I don't know, really, I don't know what's gonna happen after an hour, and so I'm really nervous guys. Just I'll do my best as I do every time, and hopefully, I mean, since morning I was driving perfectly alright, and even my instructor, I mean, who was with me, he said you are okay, you will do it alright. But every time everybody tells me the same, that I am okay, I will do alright. So fingers crossed, and I'll see you when I come back from my test. Right, I am back from my driving test, and obviously I did not pass, and I am so much disheartened guys, that as if somebody have stabbed into my heart. I mean, this was like 4th time, and I was so confident and I was so positive. I wasn't even nervous at all, you know. When I jump into that vehicle, the first test always is to reverse, you know, in the parking, reverse. From past 3 times I've been passing it. There was no problem in reversing. But this time, look what I did. I went straight to that cone. So the instructor shouted and he said, stop, 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 can you come down and look at this? So I said, right, so what now? He goes, well, I'm sorry, you have failed. So I was like, oh my God. So I said, can I do it one more time? Give me one more chance. He goes, no, we have to be fair with everybody else as well, so we can't give you another chance. So I was like, ugh. And trust me, I'm so much painful. My heart is so much painful. I was crying when I was coming back on the train. I was really crying. I mean, like, why? I mean, oh, I don't know. Why did this happen? I mean, my driving is well. My driving instructor, he says I am good. I mean, I should have passed it. But what goes wrong? I don't know. I don't understand, you know. So leave your comments below. I look forward to it. I mean, let me know what should I do. I mean, it's so much painful, guys. You go again and again, and when I go there, I have to change 3 trains. Come on. So just let me know if I should keep trying, you know, doing this. I'll really wait for your comments, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.